Hello everyone. In this video, we will see trigonometry. Trigonometry, tri means 3 like that. So, it is dealing with the measurements of sides and angles of right angle triangles. Right triangles. We use only right angle triangle in this trigonometry. Um, so, now we will see the introduction for this. So this is about all that sine, cos, tan, all that. Okay. So I will be explaining you all that and then we will continue with the problems. So there is a triangle here ABC. In that triangle, angle A is 90 degree. If angle A is 90 degree, opposite to that angle is the side BC. Angle A is 90 degree. So opposite to that the side BC is there and that BC, side BC which is opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. Three sides will be there and in a right angle triangle opposite to the right angle, the side which is opposite to the right angle is called a hypotenuse. And there is something called theta here. The theta is placed in C. So in the angle C, there the theta is there and opposite to that theta is the side BA or AB. Opposite to theta is AB. So that is opposite. Opposite is also called perpendicular in trigonometric. In various books, various words will be used. Maybe opposite, maybe perpendicular, whatever it is. And next to theta, theta is joining two sides, AC and BC, that angle theta. So the side, one side is hypotenuse. So the other side is AC and that is called adjacent side. Adjacent is also called base. So we have to remember three things here. There are two angles here. One is 90 degree. That opposite to that 90 degree here in this figure, 90 degree is in A, angle A. Angle A is 90 degrees. So opposite to that, a side BC is there and that is called hypotenuse. And we have one theta. The theta is angle C. Whatever we can take either C or B. Accordingly, the opposite and adjacent will change. In this figure, we have taken angle C as theta. So opposite to that theta is the opposite side, that is called AB here in this figure. That is called opposite or perpendicular, whatever it is. And another side, third side is there, no, that is called adjacent side or base. Whatever we want to call, we can use the word. So with this, we have so many formulas, trigonometric ratios, formulas are there. Sine, cos, tangent, secant, cosecant and cot. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse and cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan is sine by cos, that is called tan. So that is opposite by adjacent. Tan is sine by cos. Remember that. So tan is opposite by adjacent. Secant. Secant is hypotenuse by adjacent. That is secant is 1 by cos. So secant equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. Cosecant. Cosecant is hypotenuse by opposite. That is cosecant is 1 by sine theta. 1 by sine. So the reciprocal of sine, that is hypotenuse by opposite. Cot is 1 by tan. Reciprocal of tan. So adjacent by opposite. These formulas you have to memorize. If you memorize sine and cos, that is enough, and remaining all are the relations with respect to them only. And there are some angles, trigonometric ratios of specific angles are given. So this is enough till 10th grade. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree is root 2 by 2, that is equal to 1 by root 2. Sine 60 equal to root 3 by 2. Sine 90 equal to 1. Cos theta is the reverse of sine. So see, sine 0 is 0. But cos 90 is 0. Same way, sine 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2. The other way, ulta of it. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2 or root 2 by 2, whatever. So same thing, because when it comes from there, it will be there. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Here cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sine 90 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. So the ulta of that. Tan is sine by cos. So 0 by 1. Tan 0 degree is 0 by 1, which is equal to 0 only. Then tan 30 is 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. It will be root 3 by 3, which is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 45 degree is, both will get cancelled and it will be 1. Tan 60 degree is root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, which is equal to root 3. Tan 90 is undefined because 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means if you have 0 in the denominator, it is infinity or we cannot define it. I think this is enough now, and when it comes I will explain cosecant, secant and cot. But I have given all the values to you. The reciprocal identities, I told you, right? Sin theta equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Same way, cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. Same way, secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. The reciprocal identities we have to remember. And there is one more called Pythagorean identities. Pythagorean identities means when you add two things, you will get one, and with that you will frame some relations. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So, see the first formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. That means cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. The sin square theta will go to the other side. Then sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Like that, secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and cosecant square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So whatever is necessary for that particular problem, we will use the Pythagorean identities. So I have given you what is trigonometry and what are the three sides, how it is related, and what are the trigonometric ratios for specific angles, reciprocal identities, Pythagorean identities, all that. Now we can go to the problems. The first problem I'll explain is, if tan A equal to 4 by 3, what is the value of sin A? So here tan theta is equal to tan A, or tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. I'll just show you. Tan theta see here, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So this one, opposite by adjacent. So that is the formula here we are writing. Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent, the value is 4 by 3. That means opposite value is 4 and adjacent value is 3. Now roughly we will draw a figure. We are not measuring anything, just roughly we are going to draw a right angle triangle figure. So this is supposed to be a right angle triangle here, right angle at here. Okay. Now the angle is A. So wherever you place it, that is A. This is the angle. Okay. And whatever we found is opposite by adjacent. Opposite to A. So we'll name it now. So A, B and C. Like that we will name it now. And opposite to A is, this is opposite, that is BC. Opposite is 4. Okay. And adjacent. Adjacent is this BA. BA is 3. Adjacent is 3. Now we have to find out sin A. What is sin formula? Sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Okay. So we know opposite, but we don't know hypotenuse. But using Pythagorean theorem, hypotenuse, that is here AC. AC is the hypotenuse. AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. That is the hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. BC square is 4 square plus AB square is 3 square. 4 square is 16 and 3 square is 9. Totally it is 25. So we have to, but we want AC. Usually, when you remove the squares, you will take plus or minus, but here it is a distance. Distance cannot be in negative, so only the positive value. So AC is square root of 25. AC is square root of 25, that is equivalent to 5. So now AC we have found out the value, that is 5. Now sin A. Sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite for this angle A? It is 4. And hypotenuse we found out that is 5. So the answer is, in this question, the answer is sin A equal to 4 by 5. The next problem is, find the value of sin square 60 degree plus 2 tan 45 degree minus cos square 30 degree. So we'll use this formula. This table I have inserted in this for this problem for your reference. But usually we need not write all these formulas in the exam. Only the question will be given and you have to remember all the values and you have to write. Okay. So now in this formula, sine square 60 degree. See, the question is sine square 60 degree, right? So find first one. So what is sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So that one, root 3 by 2, the whole square, because sine square, okay, plus 2 into tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is 1. So 2 into 1 minus cos 30 degree. Cos square 30 degree is root 3 by 2 cos square here. So we will put a square here. See, sin 60 value is root 3 by 2, but here in the question they have asked sin square 60 degree. So we are squaring that number root 3 by 2 the whole square. Okay. Plus 2 into tan 45 degree. So 2 into that 2 we have written. Tan 45 degree is 1. So 2 into 1 minus cos square 30 degree. Cos square 30 degree means cos 30 is root 3 by 2. It is a square value, no? So we have written, we have squared that value. Now root 3 by 2 will become 3 by 4, the whole square, no? Root 3 by 2, the whole square will become 3 by 4 plus 2 only. 2 into 1 is 2 minus again root 3 by 2, the whole square will become 3 by 4. So this and this will get cancelled. We will end up in getting 2. The value, the required answer is 2. So find the value of sin square 60 degree plus 2 tan 45 degree minus cos square 30 degree. The value is, answer is 2. Next problem is, if sin A equal to 3 by 4, calculate secant A. So there are some relationships, we will use that. So given is sin A. Sin A equal to 3 by 4. So we know that sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So this one we know. Therefore, cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A. That sin square A went to the other side. So cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A. So if you use that 1 minus, what is sin A? That is 3 by 4. Sin square A, no? So we will square it. So it will become 1 minus 9 by 16. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. If you take LCM, 16 minus 9 by 16, which is equal to 7 by 16. We want cos A because secant A is 1 by cos A. That is why we are trying to find out cos A. So this is cos square A. So cos A is equal to root of 7 by 16. 7 we cannot take it out from the root. So root 7 by 4. Always positive values we will take, no negative values. So cos A we have found out that is root 7 by 4. Now secant A. Secant A is equal to 1 by cos A. We know no identities. 1 by cos A means reciprocal of this. That means 4 by root 7. So secant value, secant A is 4 by root 7. Once again I will explain. Sin A equal to 3 by 4. Calculate secant A. So sin A and secant A is the reciprocal of cos A. That is why we are trying to find out cos A value. So sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A. So in place of sin square A, we will put sin value and square it. So when you square it and when you reduce it, it will become 7 by 16. Cos square A will become 7 by 16. We need cos A, so take a root of it. Root of 7 by 16. So the numerator will be root 7 only and the denominator will be 16 square root is 4. That's why. And secant A is 1 by cos A. So the reciprocal of that value, that is 4 by root 7. The fourth problem is, if sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 2 cos theta, theta is not equal to 0 degree, then the value of tan theta is. We know very well that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So we have to bring this in that form. So what is given? Sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 2 cos theta. What we are doing, we are going to send this cos theta also to the right hand side. So now we have sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta minus cos theta. This minus cos theta came from the left hand side. So when you take out this cos theta and cos theta common outside, inside we will have root 2 minus, here if you don't have any number, that means it is 1 only. Root 2 minus 1 cos theta. Now this cos theta will be sent to the left hand side, that is sin theta divided by cos theta, because here it is in multiplication. So when it is in multiplication, you will send it to the other side as division. Sin theta by cos theta equal to root 2 minus 1. We know sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Tan theta equal to root 2 minus 1. So this is the explanation. This is a small question, 2-mark question like that. And whatever questions I have given, they are asked in the previous exams. And I will be posting you more trigonometry videos. And if you have doubts in any particular problems or anything, please message in the comment section. I will answer that also. Now this trigonometry videos will continue. Please keep watching. Share, like and subscribe my videos. Thank you.